Welcome to Krakow. With its imposing main square, majestic Wawel Castle, and hip Jewish quarter of Kazimierz, Krakow has drawn in both locals and tourists alike for decades by its charm, warm hospitality, and beauty. Today, it has also become a hotspot for domestic and international real estate investors. Let's take a look at what the city's neighborhoods have to offer. Hey, I'm Greg, and I'm a Polish-American real estate broker living and working in Krakow, Poland. In this series, I want to take you through the neighborhoods of Krakow, those more and less known. Today, we'll start with Zablocie. Come with me. Zabłocie is part of the Podgórze district of Krakow. The area of today's Zabłocie was first mentioned in the 1300s in reference to the royal forests around Krakow. The area was later a village on the outskirts of the former Polish capital until it became a part of the then city of Podgórze. With the joining of Podgórze and Krakow in 1915, Zabłocie was also incorporated into the city of Krakow. It experienced its biggest growth at the end of the 19th and beginning of the 20th century, becoming an industrial area home to many factories and manufacturing facilities. World War II would forever be memorialized, with Zabłocie being the location of Oskar Schindler's enamel factory, featured in the film Schindler's List. With the fall of communism, the area fell into disrepair, and at the end of the late 90s, a plan to revitalize the area was approved, and over 20 years later, we see its fruition. Today, the area of Zabłocie is a thriving and popular area of Krakow in all areas. Let's look into some of them. Along with change came a demand for housing, and Zabłocie boasts some of the most interesting and sought-after properties in the city, including Hotel Zabłocie, which has repurposed some of the former Miraculum Cosmetics factory buildings. Concept House, built in the year 2000, won many awards for its architecture and style, bringing a fresh look to the area. Loft of Młynie, located in a former flour mill, brought Krakow's first loft apartments and boasts beautiful cityscapes from its top floor units. Adjoining Lofty is Przemysłowa 13, which was one of the first modern residential projects in the area, setting a staple for future investments. Pasaż Podgórski is a large complex which was built in 4 stages and today is a central point of the neighborhood. Casa Feliz and Loft House Zabłocie brought residential projects to an area teeming with office parks. Being a hotspot for expats and international students, private dorms have popped up, with Base Camp by Exior being a huge success and a new dorm called The Fizz with 1,000 beds under development. PRS projects have also found a home in Zabłocie, with Van der Vorm Living being the most notable in the new Green District complex. Alongside residential investments, Zabłocie has also attracted a number of international companies to set up shop in the neighborhood, offering world-class office facilities in such hubs as Orange Office Park, being home to Brown Brothers Harriman and Sappi. The newly constructed Ocean Office Park hosts InPost and Sales Manago. Enterprise Park, with Cisco, Aon, and Delphi, is the largest in the neighborhood. And Zabłocie Business Park, which recently became home to Westinghouse, just to name the largest. But Zabłocie isn't just all business and no fun. The neighborhood offers a plethora of culinary delights. Salute takes tapas to a new and unique level, with different sharing options paired with some exquisite wines. Hala Lipowa is a food hall hosting numerous events, exhibitions, and food concepts. The bar also makes a killer drink. Orza offers a number of options for both meat eaters and vegetarians in a lush, modern setting with an open kitchen, and it's one of my favorite places for brunch on weekends. Whether it's wine bars, shisha, ramen, coffee, or tacos, you'll find it all in Zabłocie. And if you get bored, Old Town and Kazimierz are a stone's throw away. Krakow is a university city with around 200,000 students, and Zabłocie has much to offer for those thirsting knowledge and culture, from the Museum of Contemporary Art MOCAK to Oskar Schindler's Enamel Factory, and others. For younger English-speaking students, Collegium Europejskie is an English-speaking private elementary and high school. For college students, the Krakowska Akademia is a private university with both local and foreign students, and offers a cornucopia of knowledge with subjects such as business, international relations, and medicine being offered in English. These institutions make Zabłocie a popular choice for expat families looking for a place to call home. With the redevelopment of Zabłocie being such a success and recent city planning changes, the area continues to grow and change with new projects currently under development in the eastern part of the neighborhood, including Casa Feliz Portowa, Ocean Apartments by Cavatina, Yit Zabłocie, Mateksi Portowa, Krab Zabłocie by Cordia. With so much development going on, the public infrastructure is also being developed, with plans for a park on the Wisła River, further development of the Wisła boulevards, and land being cleared for a marina on the river. Krakow Marina is an ambitious project aiming to provide the residents of Zabłocie with a new place to kick back and relax. As Zabłocie continues to evolve, there are new opportunities around every corner. If you'd like to receive more information, please feel free to contact me and be sure to subscribe for future videos. Next time, we'll be exploring Stare Podgórze,